We are building an awesome pool. This is probably one of the bigger pools in this neighborhood.
This is where everybody's going to come hang out. This is going to be the main focal point of the entire backyard.
It gets very intricate. Everything has to work.
Our relationships are key, working with our distributors, Proline and Westlake Pipe and Fittings, to make sure we have materials in stock.
There is a lot of coordination between the contractor, between the wholesaler, between Westlake Pipe and Fittings.
My name is Jim Bingold. I'm with Proline Distributors. The ability to have people around me that understand the quality of what we're looking for is absolutely mission critical. We're getting quality that we've expected for the last 20, 30 years.
My name's David Byer. I'm the regional manager for the irrigation and pool channel for Westlake Pipe and Fittings. I feel proud to work for a company that stands behind their product. We want to have everything in inventory from Westlake and having the support after the installation is done.
Right here, we have a 4-inch sweep.
So the energy efficient sweeps provide better flow with less electricity usage. Good quality product, American made product.
Love working with the product because it's easy to install, it holds under pressure, and it lasts.
I like to see projects go to completion, make those homeowners happy, make our customers happy. Enjoy seeing that from beginning to end.